Senate in closed session over Festus Keyamo screening. The Senate President Godswill Akpabio announced the motion to go into closed session to resolve impasse over Ministerial nominee Festus Keyamo screening. Earlier, senators from Abia State, Darlington Wokocha and Enyinaya Abaribe moved a motion citing Section 88B to mandate the Senate to step down the screening of Festus Keyamo for publicly ignoring summons from the National Assembly. The Senate went into a rowdy session shortly after the point of order raised by Senator Darlington and seconded by Senator Abaribe was put into vote by the Senate President. The Senate leader Okoyemi Bamidele moved a motion that the Senate goes into executive session to resolve the impasse. The wish was granted as Senate President Akpabio adjourns the session into closed door to reconvene after 1 hour. Details coming shortly. Komayabadi, Oshe.